Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rahmat Asyari with name number 211002043. First of all, thank you to Mrs. Cynthia who has been my internship supervisor. Here I will present my internship report and delay. Saka Millennial website design using Laravel framework at Informatic Department of Banyumas Regency. Overview, introduction, problem statement, objective, methodology, user need analysis, system design, implementation, result and finding, conclusion. Introduction. Today digital era information and communication technology play a crucial role in supporting various societal activity, including tools in the government sector. The utilization of digital technology enables faster, more accurate, and assembly information delivery to the public. One form of digital technology implementation in the government sector is the development of websites as a medium for information and communication. The Department of Communication and Information di Kominfo of Banyumas Regency as the institution responsible for public communication and information has the responsibility to assure that the public has access to fast, accurate, and relevant information. The Kominfo Banyumas has developed a website for a Saka Millennial as a platform from disseminating information about the youth activity in the region. However, the existing website still faces several issues that hinder its effective and user convention. Some of the problems faced by the Saka Millennial website include technology limitations, which make the website less responsive and unable to adapt to various devices used by visitors. Additionally, the lack of user need analysis results in features that are less relevant and useful to users. Equally important, the lack of focus on user experience make the website design and navigation non-intuitive and difficult to use, ultimately reducing user satisfaction. The Saka Millennial website West is the designed to provide various features of the latest new community activity reduction, educational article, and up-to-date information on technology development. The development of this website requires a reliable system, high effectivity, and asymmetric management. Therefore, the Laravel framework was used as the basis from website development due to its advantage in performance, security, and flexibility. This internship project aims to design and implementation the Saka Millennial website using the Laravel framework. The development process involves critical steps, including user need analysis, system architecture design, and implementation of key features to user. The platform function according to needs and expectation. The final result of this development is expected to provide an innovative solution for delivering public information in Banyumas Regency. Problem statement. Problem that are is the implementation of PKL are as follows. Problem 1. How to build a millennial Saka website using Laravel. Problem 2. How to improve the responsive of the Saka Millennial website so that it can be accessed well on various devices. Problem 3. How to design feature and suit user need on the Saka Millennial website. Objective. The design develop the Saka Millennial website using the Laravel framework, which has high performance, flexibility, and provides a digital information platform that is more effective, efficient, and relevant to the needs of the community, especially the younger generation in Banyumas Regency. 2. Improve the responsive of the Saka Millennial website so that it can be accessed on various devices, both desktop, tablet, and mobile phone. 3. Design feature that suit our needs so that they can provide a more intuitive user experience and make it easy to obtain information. Methodology 1. User need analysis. The analysis-based research was conducted to identify user needs by collecting data through direct interview with management of Saka Millennial Banyumas Regency. The finding revealed the user require faster and more relevant access to information as well as features that facilitate your participation in community activity. Based on this research and required features include the last news, community activity documentation, educational article, and information on technology. 2. System design. In the system design phase, several key aspects were planned to support the application implementation. First, the database structure was designed using MySQL relationship between table where formula using a relational model adhering to normalization standard to avoid data redundancy. Second, the application was implemented with a model view controller or MVC architecture where the model interacts with the database. The view presents dynamic user interface, and the controller manage application logic. Third, the user interface was designed using Bootstrap framework to ensure the application is responsive and user-friendly across various devices. This system design serves a crucial foundation for the development process. 3. Technology and framework implementation. During implementation phase, the application was developed using several modern technology and framework. The Laravel framework was utilized to manage the model view controller architecture for building application functions such as URL routing, database management with development ORM, and creating dynamic page using the Blade templating engine. Furthermore, the MySQL database was implementation through PHP-MyAdmin available in Laravel with table structure based on the initial design. For the user interface, the Bootstrap framework was employed to design visually appealing, responsive, and functional components such as form, navigation button, and the grid system for page layout. The development process was carried out using Laravel as a tool support the local server, enabling efficient implementation without relying on external server. Upon completion of the implementation, a series of tests were conducted to ensure that all components function as expected. Technology and framework implementation. Laravel 10. Laravel is suitable for building public service portal like Saka Millennial because it can handle user management, content management, and API-based interaction for further integration. PHP 8.1. PHP 8.1 deliver improved speed and modern feature to build more responsive and efficient application. Database MySQL. Database can be used to store user data, news article, or other relevant module on the website quickly and securely. Conclusion. Based on the practical work activity carried out, it can be concluded that the design and development process of the Saka Millennial website using the Laravel framework at the Banyumas Regency Communication and Informatics Office has been successfully complete. This website is designed to support organization activity by providing features such as member profile management, membership history, social media, education history, experience, and other data management features. By utilizing the Laravel framework, the development of this website become more efficient, secure, and structured, resulting in modern digital solutions that are oriented toward organizational needs. Overall, this website is expected to increase the effectiveness of communication, data management, and transparency is the activity of Saka Millennial Banyumas. Thank you. Maybe that no. Apa ada pertanyaan? Barangkali ada yang mau bertanya. Iya Mas Rafi, gimana Mas Rafi?
Eh, Oke, apakah suara saya terdengar?
Suara terdengar dengan jelas.
Oke, oke Mas Rahmat. Tadi kan bikin ini ya, nama websitenya apa? Saka Milenial ya.
Iya betul Mas Rafi.
Mas, aku nanya, apa sih tujuan dari pengembangan website Saka Milenial ini? Terus kenapa menggunakan framework Laravel?
Nah mungkin jadi
Makasih.
saya jawab ya Mas Rafi. Jadi tujuan pengembangan website Saka Milenial adalah menyediakan platform digital yang lebih efektif, efisien dan relevan dengan kebutuhan masyarakat khususnya generasi muda di Kabupaten Banyumas. Framework Laravel dipilih karena memiliki performa dan fleksibilitas tinggi, memungkinkan pengembangan sistem yang andal dan mudah dikelola. Selain itu, pengembangan ini bertujuan untuk meningkatkan responsivitas website sehingga dapat diakses dengan baik di berbagai perangkat seperti desktop, tablet, dan ponsel. Fitur-fitur yang dirancang juga diharapkan sesuai dengan kebutuhan pengguna sehingga dapat memberikan pengalaman pengguna UI UX yang lebih intuitif dan memudahkan masyarakat dalam mendapatkan informasi. Mungkin seperti itu Mas Rafi jawabannya.
Oke Mas, siap. Jelas, jelas.
Ada yang mau bertanya lagi? Mungkin kalau nggak ada, saya tutup presentasi hari ini. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih semuanya. Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.